शाळेतील प्रवेश. आता आपण पाहूया शाळेतील प्रवेशासाठी मुख्याध्यापकांबरोबर चर्चा. सुनीलला आपली मुलगी नेहासाठी शाळेत प्रवेश हवा आहे. याच संदर्भात तो शाळेच्या मुख्याध्यापकांशी चर्चा करायला आला आहे.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. What can I do for you?
I want admission for my daughter Neha in class 5 of your school. Here are the mark sheet and the school leaving certificates. You can go through them.
Are you new to this town?
I have been transferred to this town by my office, and my daughter wants to join this school in particular.
Any specific reason to join this school?
Majority of girls in our society are in this school.
Yes, must be. Our school is the most reputed school in this town.
Of course I know. That is why I want my daughter to study in this school.
Let me see the mark sheet. Good. Your daughter seems to be very bright. We will certainly give her admission. Please go to the clerk. He will give you an application form. Please fill it in and give it to me.
Thank you, sir. I inquired in the office before meeting you, and I have already filled the form as well. Is the admission confirmed?
Yes, it is confirmed. Please pay the admission fees and other fees to the clerk.
Thank you very much, sir.
Oh, it's my pleasure. Goodbye.
Goodbye, sir. Have a nice day.
शिक्षकांची भेट. आता आपण पाहूया शिक्षकांबरोबर चर्चा. वर्ग शिक्षकांनी राजेशच्या आईला भेटायला बोलावलं आहे, परंतु आई आजारी असल्याने त्याची बहीण कल्पना वर्ग शिक्षकांना भेटायला आली आहे.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Rajesh's sister.
I think I called your mother.
I'm sorry, ma'am, but my mother is ill. The doctor has asked her to bed rest.
Oh, it's all right.
Rajesh always admires you and your teaching.
He's a good boy. I always find an update in his work.
But teacher, he doesn't study regularly at home. He does his homework, but he never does extra studies.
Oh, I see. Completing homework is not enough to score good in exams. He must do some extra studies apart from his regular homework.
I think he needs extra tuitions. Do you take tuitions, ma'am?
Yes, I do. I take classes at home.
Oh, that's nice. Can I send him for your regular coaching?
Okay, he can come from tomorrow.
Anyways, teacher, how is his behavior at school?
Don't worry. He is a nice boy. He always respects teachers. He has many good friends due to his good nature.
Thank you, ma'am. It was very nice meeting you.
It's okay. I will send you a message if there is any problem. And my best wishes to your mother. Goodbye.
Goodbye, ma'am.
उपक्रमांची चौकशी. या प्रवेशात शाळेच्या शिक्षकांशी शाळेच्या विशेष उपक्रमाबाबत चौकशी केली जात आहे. सुनीलला वाटतं की त्याच्या मुलाने अभ्यासाव्यतिरिक्त इतर उपक्रमांमध्ये सुद्धा भाग घ्यावा. शाळेच्या इतर उपक्रमांविषयी माहिती मिळवण्यासाठी सुनील वर्ग शिक्षकांना भेटायला शाळेत आला आहे.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Please sit down.
My son Vijay is studying in 5th standard of your school, ma'am.
Oh, what can I do for you?
I am here to consult you. My son Vijay is good in studies and he generally gets good marks. But I think he should participate in some extracurricular activities as well.
That's nice.
I would like to know about the extracurricular activities that are available in your school.
Well, we take care of our students. We have many facilities in the school. We have a library, a sports complex. We also have a science lab for hobby scientists. We take part in many inter-school competitions. Your son can join any one of them. First, we take personality test for student and then we decide better field for them.
Excellent. Then who would be the concerned person that I should meet?
You can meet our PT teacher.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
You're welcome.
शॉपिंग मॉल. आपण पाहणार आहोत शॉपिंग मॉलमधील संभाषण. या महिलेला शॉपिंग मॉलमध्ये वस्तू शोधणे कठीण जात आहे, म्हणून ती तिथल्या कर्मचाऱ्याकडून तिला हव्या असलेल्या वस्तू कुठे आहेत व त्यांचे पैसे कसे चुकते करावे लागतील याची माहिती मिळवत आहे.
Excuse me? Can you please tell me where I can find crystal glasses?
Sure, ma'am. The last area in this row is the glass section. You will find the crystal glasses over there. Otherwise, you can look in the fancy gift area.
Thank you very much.
Do you need any other help, ma'am?
Just one more thing. When are the payments to be made?
First, you select your product. Our salespeople are there to help you. Once you have selected your product, we will give you a small note. Take that small note and go to the cash counter. Once you made your payments, you will receive your items properly packed.
Can I make the payment by credit card?
Of course, ma'am. We have many payment options. For details, you will have to check with the cash counter.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
वाण्याच्या दुकानात. आता आपण पाहूया घरगुती सामानांच्या खरेदीसाठी दुकानदाराशी चर्चा. आपल्या रोजच्या सामानाच्या खरेदीसाठी ही महिला या वाण्याच्या दुकानात आली आहे.
Good morning, madam. What can I do for you?
Good morning. I have brought the list of my grocery requirements.
Thank you, madam. I'll keep your list ready by evening. You can collect it while returning from office. Or if you want, I'll send it to your home.
Oh, that's better.
Will you pay by cash?
Is there any other option?
Most of the people in this area have an account with us. Next time you can order on the phone. You have to open an account with us for that. You can clear the dues at the end of the month.
Oh, that's nice.
Thank you very much, madam. I'll send your material and your account diary at your place in the evening.
Thank you very much. I will leave now.
Good day, madam.
फळांच्या दुकानात. आता पाहूया आणखी एक संभाषण. फळांची खरेदी ही एक साधी गोष्ट आहे. इथे उर्मिला काही फळांची खरेदी करायला आली आहे.
Good morning, madam. You're visiting us after many days.
Oh, yes. I was out of station for a week. How much for these oranges?
50 rupees a dozen, madam. Trust me, they are very sweet.
Okay, please give me 2 dozens. And how much for apples and grapes?
Apples are 60 rupees a kg and grapes are 30 rupees a kg.
Okay, give me 2 kilo apples and 1 kilo grapes.
Is that all, madam?
Yes, thank you.
Rupees 250 altogether, madam. Thank you, madam. I'll send the fruits to your place. You can pay my person there.
Okay, thank you.
Good day, madam.
कपड्यांच्या दुकानात. आता पाहूया कपडे खरेदीच्या वेळी दुकानदाराशी चर्चा. या दुकानात श्री जोशी आपल्या शर्टासाठी कापड खरेदी करायला आले आहेत. शिलाईसाठी कापड खरेदी करताना ते काही चौकशी करत आहेत.
Good evening, sir. Seeing you after a long time. Are you displeased with us? Anyway, what can I do for you today?
Good evening. I want polyester shirting and a full-size Turkish towel of Bombay dye.
What type of shirting do you want? Plain, striped, or checks?
I always prefer plain shirting.
Very well, sir. I will show you an assortment of shirtings and you can choose from them.
I like this one. What's the rate per meter?
That's rupees 155 per meter, sir.
Okay. Please give me 4 meters.
Now I shall show you the different shades of Turkish towels.
I like this one. What's the price?
Rupees 80, sir. Anything else?
Nothing for the present. Here is the cash.
No, sir. You can pay at the cash counter and collect your bags from there.
Thank you.
Goodbye, sir.
Goodbye.
व्हिडिओ लायब्ररी. या प्रवेशात पाहूया व्हिडिओ लायब्ररीतील संभाषण. प्रत्येक वेळी नवीन सीडी खरेदी करण्याऐवजी सोनल एखाद्या व्हिडिओ लायब्ररीची सदस्य बनू इच्छिते. पण त्याआधी तिला आपल्या काही शंकांचे समाधान करून घ्यायचे आहे.
Hi, I want to join the video library.
Yes, sure.
Before joining, I want to see the list of movies you have.
Oh, sure. This is the list. We have all the latest movies in our collection.
Do you have dramas and documentaries in your collection?
Yes, we do. We have collection in almost all languages in India.
How many prints do you keep of each?
Generally 3 or 4.
I hope you don't keep pirated copies.
No way, ma'am. Piracy is an offense. And the print is also worst. And we provide our customers with the best quality.
Oh, how nice. What's the scheme of membership?
It's 300 monthly for 1 copy and 500 for 2 copies.
Do you have home delivery?
Yes, we give home delivery, but it's in 24-hour cycle. If you come to our shop, you can change as many copies as you want. There is no limit.
Thanks a lot. I will take 1 copy scheme.
Okay, ma'am. Fill this form for your details. Here.
Here it is. Please send me the movie I marked.
No problem, ma'am. It will reach your home in 2 hours. Have a nice day.
Same to you. Bye.
ब्युटी पार्लर. आता पाहूया ब्युटी पार्लरमधील चौकशी. ब्युटी पार्लरमध्ये जाणे मुलींसाठी एक सामान्य गोष्ट आहे. इथे डिंपल आपल्या खास उपचारांबाबत काही चौकशी करत आहे.
Good evening, ma'am. What can I do for you?
Considering my age, I feel I'm overweight. I feel shy in the college. Is there anything you can do for me?
Of course. Why not?
I want to lose weight and look slim as early as possible.
Don't worry, ma'am. With the latest foreign technology, your problem will be solved immediately.
And how much time will it take?
Just 2 or 3 weeks.
What are your charges?
Initially, we used to charge rupees 5,000, but now we have some nice schemes. So now you have to pay just rupees 3,000.
Are the results guaranteed?
Oh yes, sure.
Could you give me the names and addresses of the people who have benefited from your technology?
I can show you their photographs, ma'am, but I cannot give you their names and addresses. That has to be kept strictly confidential, ma'am.
How much weight can be reduced?
Around 3 to 9 kgs.
When do you start your treatments? Are there any batches?
As and when you want, but only after paying the full amount.
What if I don't get the result?
In that case, we would refund your entire amount.
Oh, that is nice.
But you will have to keep your diet according to instructions, ma'am. If not, then there will be no results.
I will definitely follow your instructions. Is there anything else I should do for my beauty and fitness?
I would suggest aromatherapy for your skin and some nourishment treatments for your hair.
Thanks a lot. I'll talk to my parents and let you know about the final treatments.
You are welcome to our clinic anytime, ma'am. Have a good day.
Thank you. You have a good day too.
रुग्णालय. एखाद्या मोठ्या रुग्णालयात रोग्याला कसं दाखल करायचं ते आपण पाहू. अजय आपल्या पत्नीला हृदय शस्त्रक्रियेसाठी एका मोठ्या रुग्णालयात घेऊन आला आहे. रुग्णालयात दाखल करण्यासाठी तो काही कागदपत्र व पैशांची पूर्तता करत आहे.
Excuse me, I have an admission letter from Dr. Nair for bypass surgery.
Who is the patient?
My wife Neha.
Okay, Mr. Ajay. Please fill this form and no objection certificate. I will arrange for her admissions. By the way, do you have any insurance?
Yes, I have cashless medical insurance.
Okay. May I have the details, please?
Yes, sure. But I don't want to admit her under cashless scheme. I'll pay for the bills and later claim the insurance.
Very well. In that case, you have to pay the advance payment of rupees 3 lakhs, sir.
Do you accept check payment?
Yes, sir. But the patient will be examined only after realization of the check.
No. This is an urgent case. In that case, I'll arrange for the cash in 1 hour.
Okay, sir, no problem. I will inform Dr. Nair about your admission. Please complete the formalities and I will allot a room to you. Here is a room tariff and please let me know your choice.
I'll go for the special room.
Very well, sir. Your room number is 1240 on the 12th floor. You will get your admission card within 10 minutes. Anything else I may help you?
Thanks a lot. My wife is in the reception room. Can I take her to the room?
Okay, sir. I'll send someone with you.
Thank you very much. Your payment will be arranged in 1 hour.
Thank you very much. And my best wishes to your wife.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
परिचारिकेबरोबर चर्चा. रुग्णालयात परिचारिकेबरोबर कसं बोलावं ते आपण पाहूया. या रुग्णालयात नेहा उपचारांसाठी दाखल झाली आहे. तिचा भाऊ राजेश तिच्यासाठी औषधे व उपचार याबाबत परिचारिकेबरोबर चर्चा करत आहे.
Excuse me, sister.
Yes?
At what time Dr. Senapati is coming to take rounds?
Around 7 p.m. What happened? Any problem?
I want to ask him about changes in medicine.
Changes? Let me check. Your sister's name is Neha, right? Neha. No, there is no change. As per doctor's prescription, she have to follow the same medicine for the next week also. Is there anything else?
Yes, my sister gets severe headache at night.
Oh, okay. I'm going to call Dr. Senapati after some time for reporting. I will ask for the treatment. And he will personally check during evening round, okay?
She also has swelling on her right hand where the IV is injected.
Oh, okay. You do one thing. Hold some ice over it. You will get the ice in pantry. Or else I can arrange ice bag for you.
Thank you. And yes, the saline flow is faster and she's feeling cold. Last night, she was literally shivering.
Is it? Please call me immediately in such case. And don't try to correct it yourself, okay? I'm coming with you.
Thank you, sister.
Oh, it's my duty. Come.
कौटुंबिक डॉक्टर. आजारी पडल्यावर डॉक्टरांकडे तर जावंच लागतं, तर आपण पाहूया तिथे कसं बोलावं. रोहितची प्रकृती थोडी बिघडली आहे. तो आपल्या कौटुंबिक डॉक्टरकडे उपचारासाठी आला आहे.
Good morning, doctor.
Yes, Rohit. What's the trouble with you?
I'm suffering from stomachache and I had some fever yesterday as well.
Did you eat any oily food or heavy food yesterday?
Yes, at the marriage, I ate fried and heavy food.
I will examine you later. You're my regular patient. Not to worry. It is mainly because of indigestion. I'm giving you a prescription. There are 2 tablets. Take the first tablet every 3 hours and the second tablet before going to bed.
Shall I take tablets immediately after purchase?
Oh no, only after you eat something. Never take tablets on an empty stomach.
Any precautions about diet?
Don't eat heavy and fried food. Go for a long walk in the morning.
I will definitely stick to your advice.
Don't worry, you will get well soon.
Thank you, doctor. Your fees?
Pay at the counter. Have a nice day.
Thank you, doctor. Have a nice day.
टेलर. शिंपी. आता आपण पाहूया आपला शिंपी किंवा टेलर बरोबर कसं बोलावं. अमित हा नेहाचा शिंपी तसंच मित्रही आहे. नेहाला आपल्या मैत्रिणीच्या लग्नासाठी लवकरात लवकर एक पोशाख हवा आहे. ती अमितला सर्वात आधी तिचा पोशाख तयार करण्यासाठी विनंती करत आहे.
Hello, Amit.
Hello, Neha. Sorry, your dress is not ready.
I have not come to collect my dress. I have brought new dress material for stitching.
Okay, let me see.
I want this dress by next Monday.
It is not possible, Neha. We have a lot of commitments. And one of my workers is on leave.
No way. No excuse, Amit. I am your customer since 2 years. My best friend's wedding is on next Wednesday. And I want this dress latest by next Monday.
Okay. I'll try my level best.
No. Please try. You must give it to me.
Okay. I had given you the catalog. Have you decided a pattern?
Yes. I've gone through the catalog. I want the dress according to pattern number 1010. And as far as the embroidery is concerned, I want it according to pattern number 1024.
Any other instructions?
No. Just avoid deep neck and make it as perfect fit.
Okay. I have your measurements. You can come for trial on Saturday.
And when will I get the final dress?
Just in time, Neha. On Monday evening?
Please follow the schedule perfectly, Amit. I don't want to buy a new ready-made dress for this.
Don't worry, Neha. I promise you, you will be in this dress for your friend's wedding.
Thank you very much. I'll come on Saturday.
Okay, sure. Good day.
Bye, Amit. Don't forget your promise. Good day.
उपहारगृहात. एखाद्या छोट्या उपहारगृहात या प्रकारे संभाषण होतं. एकता आणि नम्रता उपहारगृहात काही खाण्यासाठी आल्या आहेत.
Good evening, ma'am.
Table for 2, please.
Any preferences?
Yes, preferably the corner table.
Sure, madam.
Thank you.
Here is the menu card, madam.
Ekta, what would you like to have?
I'm on diet. I'll have something light.
How about sandwiches?
That's fine. And I'll have fresh juice.
Excuse me?
Yes, madam.
2 veg sandwiches and 2 fresh orange juices.
Yes, madam. Anything else?
No thanks.
Also a glass of water, please.
Yes, madam. Anything else?
Excuse me. Bill, please.
Here is your bill, madam.
Thank you. Here is the cash. It was nice food and service.
Thank you for the compliments, madam. Please do visit us again.
हॉटेलमध्ये खोली मिळवणे. जेव्हा आपण हॉटेलात खोलीची चौकशी करतो तेव्हा ते संभाषण असं असतं. अभय एका दुसऱ्या शहरात काही कामासाठी आला आहे. या हॉटेलमध्ये त्याला एक खोली हवी आहे. याच बाबत तो हॉटेलच्या मॅनेजरबरोबर चर्चा करत आहे.
Good morning, sir. May I help you?
Hi, good morning. Is there some accommodation available?
Certainly, sir. Have you booked a room?
No, I'm afraid not.
How long are you going to stay?
At least 3 or 4 days, possibly longer.
Very good, sir. Which suite will you prefer? AC or non-AC?
AC. What's the tariff?
Rupees 2,000 per day with all meals.
Do you serve the food at the room?
Yes, sir. But inclusive meals will be arranged as buffet at the restaurant.
Okay.
I shall have your luggage sent up to your room. Will you please fill in the register with your name, nationality, passport number, address and everything? Your room number is 125. You please proceed ahead. I'll send the boy with the keys.
Thank you. Please wake me up at 5 a.m.
सिनेमाला जाणे. जेव्हा आपण आपल्या मित्रांना सिनेमाला जाण्यासाठी विचारतो तेव्हा असं संभाषण करतो. रश्मी आणि सोनाली या 2 मैत्रिणी खूप दिवसांनंतर भेटत आहेत. रश्मी चित्रपट बघायला जात आहे आणि सोनालीला ती आपल्याबरोबर येणार का हे विचारत आहे.
Hi, how are you? We're meeting after a long time, aren't we?
I hardly get time from my busy schedules. By the way, where are you going?
I'm free today, planning to watch a movie. Wanna join me?
I don't mind. Where shall we go?
We'll go to a multiplex, so we have some options with us.
Yes. Rather, if we don't get the tickets, we can go and do some shopping.
So, Eternity Mall is fine?
All right. Shall we go for the next show?
Yes, if we get tickets.
I'll have to go home to change. I'll join you in 15 minutes. Or else, you can accompany me and we'll go together from there.
Let's go by a taxi.
Sure, that'll be faster.
Come on, let's go.
महाविद्यालयीन सहलीची परवानगी. कॉलेजच्या मित्रांबरोबर सहलीला जाण्यासाठी वडिलांची परवानगी कशी घ्यावी ते आपण पाहू. मेघनाला आपल्या मित्रांबरोबर तिच्या महाविद्यालयाने आयोजित केलेल्या सहलीसाठी जायचं आहे. याच बाबत ती आपल्या वडिलांकडे परवानगी मागत आहे.
Oh, you have come so early from college today.
Yes, Papa. Guess what? Our college trip is going to South India.
When is it going and for how many days?
On 15th November for 10 days.
How are you going? By bus or by train?
By a luxury bus.
How many boys and girls are going?
Around 50 boys and girls or something.
If the boys are going, then I will not let you go.
Oh, please, Papa. Our principal is going with us and he loves discipline. All my friends are going and I don't want to miss it.
In that case, I allow you to go.
Thank you, Papa. You're really great.
That's okay.
औषधांच्या दुकानात. औषधाच्या दुकानात दुकानदाराशी कशाप्रकारे बोलावं ते आपण पाहू. हरीश औषधाच्या दुकानात औषध घ्यायला आला आहे, परंतु त्याच्याकडे डॉक्टरांची चिठ्ठी नाहीये. दुकानदाराला तो औषधं देण्याची विनंती करत आहे.
Yes, sir. What can I do for you?
I want a strip of compose.
Do you have the doctor's prescription?
No, but this is my regular medicine.
Sorry, sir. This is a Schedule H drug, and we cannot give it without a prescription.
This is an empty strip. I take these tablets almost daily. Dr. Astana, he's my doctor.
Don't you have his prescription?
No, but what I can do is I will connect you to my doctor and you can talk to him.
Okay, sir.
Hello, Dr. Astana. This is Harish here. Yeah, I was at the chemist shop and I don't have the prescription of my medicine. Can you just talk to him about it? Yeah.
Hello? Yes, doctor. Okay, sir. Okay. Yes, sir. I will give you the medicine.
Thanks. Do you know Dr. Astana?
Yes, most of his patients are our clients. But next time, please get his prescription also with you.
What's the expiry date? I can't read properly actually.
It expires in 2011. We never keep expired drugs with us.
I need the bill, please.
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Here is the cash.
My pleasure, sir. Good day.
Have a nice day.
दूरध्वनीवरील संभाषण. आपण आपल्या कामासाठी दूरध्वनीचा उपयोग करतो. तर पाहूया दूरध्वनीवरील संभाषण. अंजूची मावशी मुंबईला राहते. अंजू चेन्नईहून आपल्या मावशीशी दूरध्वनीवर संभाषण करत आहे.
Hello?
Hello, Auntie. How are you? I'm Anju, calling from Chennai.
Oh, Anju. I'm fine, dear. How are you? And how's everybody at home?
All's fine here, Auntie.
And how were your exams?
Exams were good.
Good. So, what are your plans for vacations?
No, Auntie. Nothing's finalized yet. But I don't want to sit at home and spoil my vacation by doing nothing.
Good. That's a nice thought. Then why don't you come to Mumbai with your parents?
I don't think Mom and Dad can make it. But I'll ask them if I can go.
Oh. But then see if you can make it. We can have great time together.
Auntie, my friends told me that you get nice dress material in Mumbai. Will you take me out for shopping?
Certainly, dear.
Okay, Auntie. I'll let you know the dates once I book my tickets.
Okay. Then looking forward to see you here.
Okay, Auntie. Bye.
Okay, sweetheart. Bye. Take care.
ट्रॅव्हल एजंट. लांबचा प्रवास किंवा यात्रेसाठी आपण नेहमी ट्रॅव्हल एजंटकडे जातो. तर पाहूया अशा वेळी कशा प्रकारे बोलावं. सोनलला आपल्या कुटुंबाबरोबर युरोपची सहल करायची आहे. याच बाबत ती एका यात्रा कंपनीत चौकशीसाठी आली आहे.
Yes, ma'am.
I want to inquire for a conducted Europe tour.
Very well, ma'am. We have different Europe models. For how many days are you planning?
I'm planning a 15-day trip.
Please refer to page number 16. We have planned exclusive Europe.
Okay. What about the payment?
You have to make the full payment at the time of the booking. Will you be arranging the foreign currencies yourself?
No. It will be better if you help me in this matter.
Very well, ma'am. We have foreign exchange facility as well.
We are a family of 3. My son is below 5 years. How much would you be charging for kids?
We give 40% discount for kids.
That's not a problem. Who will be arranging for the visa?
We will arrange for the group interview. You just have to complete the paperwork.
I hope there are no hidden costs. Many tour operators make us pay everywhere for different reasons.
No, ma'am. We keep no hidden costs. Everything is inclusive.
Will we get sufficient time for shopping?
Of course, ma'am. Please book your seats as soon as possible. Our tours are very popular. You know, people book their seats 3 months in advance.
Okay, I'll get back to you in 2-3 days after consulting my husband. I hope this booklet has detailed information about the tour.
No problem, ma'am. In case of any query, please feel free to call me anytime.
Certainly.
Good day, ma'am. I hope I will hear a positive response from your side.
I'll let you know as soon as possible. Thank you and good day.
Thank you.
पत्त्याविषयी चौकशी. एखाद्या अनोळखी ठिकाणी गेल्यावर आपल्याला पत्ता तर विचारावाच लागतो. तर पाहूया अशा वेळी कशा प्रकारे बोलावं. करण या शहरात नवीन आहे. त्याला पत्ता शोधणे कठीण जात आहे. रस्त्याने जाणाऱ्या एका तरुणाकडे तो पत्त्याची चौकशी करत आहे.
Excuse me?
Yes.
Can you please guide me for this address?
One second. British Council Library. But it's quite far from here.
But my friend told me to get down at Dadar. I'm coming from Thane.
Oh, your friend must have told you to change the train from Dadar, right? You come from Central Railway, and this place has easy access from Churchgate on the Western Line.
Okay. So what shall I do now?
You have to take a train for Churchgate from platform number 2, but do not forget to buy the tickets first.
Okay. And how should I proceed from Churchgate?
Once you get down at Churchgate station, take a taxi and tell the taxi driver to drop you near Merchant Chambers.
Okay. Any idea how much he'll charge me?
Around 20 rupees, but don't give him more than that. Okay. Once you reach nearby Merchant Chambers, anybody will guide you. You know, this building, British Council, is just 3 buildings to the left.
Thanks a lot. Can I take the same way back?
You can, but I think you better go to CST station because you'll get a direct train to Thane, and that would be better for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey, your address.
Oh, thanks again.
No problem.
बिल्डरच्या कार्यालयात. मित्रांनो, घर खरेदी करणं ही सामान्य गोष्ट आहे, पण अशा वेळी बिल्डर बरोबर खूप सावधपणे व्यवहार करावा लागतो. तर पाहूया बिल्डर बरोबर चर्चा. सागरला नवीन घर खरेदी करायचं आहे. एका संकुलाच्या बिल्डरकडे तो नवीन घराविषयी चौकशी करत आहे.
Welcome, sir. What can I do for you?
I want a flat in your housing complex. Can you please give me some ideas?
We have 10 acres of land. There are 20 buildings and 240 flats.
Where is the location exactly?
The flats are at Goregaon. Just 5 minutes walk from station.
Can you provide me with the details of the flat?
There are 3 types of flats. 1 room kitchen, 500 square feet. 2 room kitchen, 600 square feet. And 3 room kitchen, 750 square feet.
What's the rate per square feet?
3,600 per square feet, sir.
What are the amenities provided?
Everything is noted here, sir.
Do you arrange for loan?
Yes, of course.
So how will be the payment?
You have to pay only 1,50,000 as initial amount, and rest will be paid by bank. You have to just select 15 or 20-year scheme.
When will I get the possession?
You will get possession within 6 months.
Okay. When can I come for procedures? And what are the papers you need from my side?
Here is a list of papers.
Thank you. I'll come next Monday for the paperwork.
Thank you, sir. You're most welcome.
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक उपकरणांची खरेदी. आपण आपल्या घरासाठी नवीन वस्तू खरेदी करतो, जसं की वॉशिंग मशीन. तर पाहूया आपण दुकानदाराशी कसं बोलावं. या महिलेला आपल्या घरासाठी वॉशिंग मशीन खरेदी करायचे आहे. हा दुकानदार तिला अनेक पर्याय सांगत आहे.
Welcome, ma'am. What can I do for you?
I have decided to buy a washing machine. Can you please explain the different models of washing machines to me?
We have different washing machines. 50 liters, 58 liters, 60 liters. What are you looking for? Besides this, our washing machine has many features like 24-hour program memory and a stainless steel wash basket.
Are they semi-automatic or fully automatic?
We have both semi-automatic and fully automatic.
And what about the drainage system?
The drainage system is automatic.
What about the speedy cycle?
In this model, we have speedy cycle, heavy cycle, and delicate cycle.
What are the different uses of cycles?
Speedy cycle offers quick wash option. It is used for slightly soiled clothes, whereas heavy cycle is used for blankets, jeans, and bedspreads. And the delicate cycle is used for fabric like silk.
What is the warranty period?
We offer 5 years of warranty.
Do you give them on installment basis?
Yes, we do.
In how many installments can we pay?
You can pay in 12 equal installments.
What is the price of this model?
Rupees 9,600. The first installment would be 800.
Okay, I think I'll go for this.
Thank you, ma'am. I will prepare the bill. Please come with me.
When can I take the machine home?
Right now, ma'am.
Okay, thanks.
मंगल कार्यालयातील चौकशी. आजकाल लग्न किंवा अन्य समारंभासाठी आपण सभागृह भाड्याने घेतो. तर पाहूया अशीच एक चर्चा. सागर आपल्या बहिणीच्या लग्नासाठी मंगल कार्यालय आरक्षित करायला आला आहे. कार्यालयाच्या व्यवस्थापिकेकडे तो चौकशी करत आहे.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning, sir. May I help you?
I want to reserve your marriage hall for my sister's wedding
When is the marriage to take place?
on 15th May. What is the rent for 24 hours?
Rupees 10,000, sir.
Do you provide utensils, mattresses, tables and chairs?
Yes, we provide everything required for the marriage, but charges for them are extra.
What about the provisions for water supply?
We have ample supply of water. You don't worry about water supply.
And what about the stage decorations?
Yes, we can arrange for it. Sample photos are here outside. You can give me your choice.
How much do I have to pay in advance?
15,000 rupees, sir. Rupees 10,000 as rent and 5,000 as deposit. You will have to fill this form.
Can I take this form back home? I need to consult my parents.
Okay, sir. Please submit the form and pay the deposit at least by the day after tomorrow.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir.
हेल्थ क्लब. आजकाल व्यायाम करून प्रत्येकाला निरोगी राहावंसं वाटतं. त्यासाठी आपण व्यायामशाळेत जातो किंवा जिममध्ये जातो. तर चला तिथेच जाऊया. अर्जुनला आपले आरोग्य सुधारण्यासाठी हेल्थ क्लबमध्ये जायचे आहे. तो स्वतःसाठी व स्वतःच्या आईवडिलांसाठी तिकडच्या सोयीबाबत चौकशी करत आहे.
Excuse me? I want to join this health club.
Sure, we have several options. Have you made up your mind?
Yes. I want to join for bodybuilding exercises.
Okay, please fill this form.
What is the monthly fees?
We accept only half yearly or annual payments.
Annual? That will be very costly. I'm a college student. Do you offer any discount for students?
No, sir. Rupees 6,000 for the half yearly scheme, but we give a special 20% discount for the annual scheme. You'll have to pay only 9,600 instead of 12,000.
Well, in that case, I'll go for annual membership.
Okay.
Do you have special courses for elderly people? My parents would like to join.
We have a cardio module and also a yoga module.
Please give me details of both.
Sure. Here's our booklet.
Thanks. I want the early morning batch for myself. What is the timing of the first batch?
5 a.m.
Okay. Enroll me for that batch. Is it okay if I make payment by check?
Of course, yes. But you'll get the receipt only after the check is cleared.
That's okay. I'll join from tomorrow and will give you the check tomorrow itself.
No problem. Please collect your card from the morning instructor.
Thank you. Do I need any special outfits?
Normal tracks, but new shoes and a napkin, that's all.
Thanks a lot.
My pleasure, sir.
बँकेतील नवीन खाते. एखादा नवीन व्यवसाय सुरू करताना आपण बँकेत खाते उघडतो. तर चला आता आपण बँकेत जाऊ. जय एक संगणक उद्योजक आहे. या बँकेत जयला आपले बचत खाते व चालू खाते उघडायचे आहे. बँकेच्या अधिकाऱ्यांबरोबर जय याबाबत चर्चा करत आहे.
Good morning, sir. What can I do for you?
Well, I'm starting a new business in IT, and I'm looking for the best banker for my business transactions as well as my personal savings account.
Very well, sir. You're at the right place. We have specialized services for overall customer care.
First of all, I want a business account and a savings account. What is the minimum balance to be maintained?
For business account, we have zero minimum balance scheme. And for saving account, we have rupees 5,000 per quarter.
Will I get a personalized checkbook?
Of course, sir. You will also get debit cards. You can withdraw from any Visa ATM of any bank without any extra charge.
Nice. What is the daily transaction limit for the ATM?
For saving account, rupees 20,000 and for business account, rupees 25,000 per day, sir.
What are the modes of the bank transactions?
You're most welcome at our any branch, sir. But you can do almost all transactions by online.
That is via internet.
Yes, sir. We have 100% secure portal.
What about demand drafts?
You don't even have to visit the bank, sir. You can order demand draft online and we will deliver it to your desired address.
That's very nice. What are the charges for it?
This service is absolutely free, sir.
My business requires foreign exchange transactions. What are the facilities for it?
We are authorized in foreign exchange, sir. You can completely rely on us for your international transactions. Our transaction charges are minimum in banking sector.
And what about money transfer?
You can transfer the money online, sir. Apart from this, our debit card is international. We will also give you a gold credit card, which can be used internationally.
Fine. Do you have the locker facility?
Yes, sir. Generally, we have waiting list, but there are few reserved for privileged customers. I hope you will get your locker immediately.
Thanks for the information. Shall we proceed for the bank formalities?
Certainly, sir. I will need your photograph, PAN card and address proof.
Yes, I will arrange for all the papers. Do you need attested copies?
Self-signed copies are okay, sir. Please fill this form.
What about the nomination?
The nomination form is attached to the main form, sir. And how much money would you like to deposit as an initial amount?
Rupees 1 lakh for the savings account and same for the business account.
Okay, sir.
I will send the form tomorrow. Please check it.
Okay, I will check for completions. You will get your checkbook, debit card and credit card. Also, you will get your username and password for online transactions by courier.
How many days will it take?
Hardly 1 week, sir.
Thank you very much for your cooperation. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day, sir.
बँकेतील बचत ठेवी. बचत तर सगळेच करतात. आपले पैसे आपण बँकेत फिक्स डिपॉझिटमध्ये ठेवतो. चला तर बघूया ते कसे करतात. इथे फिक्स डिपॉझिटसाठी पूजा बँकेच्या अधिकाऱ्यांसोबत चर्चा करत आहे.
Good evening. Do you look after fixed deposits?
Good evening, ma'am. May I help you?
I want to make some fixed deposits.
Do you have an account with us?
Yes, I have a savings account in this branch. You have my account number.
Okay, madam. How much do you want to transfer as fixed deposits?
Can you please check the balance in this account?
Yeah, sure. Your balance is 2,53,000, ma'am.
Okay, I'll go for 10 fixed deposit receipts of rupees 10,000 each.
But madam, you can make a single receipt of 1 lakh.
No, in case of small needs, I can liquidate only one deposit. Rest of my investment will still remain safe and draw interest.
Very nice. That's a clever strategy indeed.
Thank you.
Please fill this form. You'll get your receipts within an hour.
Oh, I have work to do. Can I collect it tomorrow?
Sure. Please come straight to me tomorrow morning. I'll collect your receipts and keep them ready. Can I do anything else for you, ma'am?
विमान प्रवास. विमानाच्या तिकिटाची खरेदी एजंट मार्फत होते. तर आपण पाहूया त्यावेळी कसे संभाषण होते. राजला नेपाळला जायचे आहे. विमानाचे तिकीट खरेदी करण्यासाठी तो प्रवासी कंपनीत आला आहे.
Yes, sir. What can I do for you?
I want to inquire about the flights to Nepal.
May I know the number of passengers, sir?
Yeah, single adult.
Single or return journey?
Return journey.
May I know the dates, sir?
The departure date is 1st May and the return is on 15th May, right? To which city in Nepal does the flight go to?
From Mumbai, the flight is to Kathmandu, sir.
Is it a direct flight?
No, sir. The flight is via Delhi.
I will prefer an early morning flight for departure, and while coming back, it can be evening or night.
Okay, sir. You will get the flight of your choice. So, which class ticket do you want to book?
First class, please. Can you tell me about the airfare?
Sir, since you're booking 2 months in advance, you will get a good discount. Let me just check and tell you the final fare.
Is it Air India?
Yes, sir. The total amount is rupees 35,600, sir.
Is it inclusive of airport taxes?
Yes, sir. It is all inclusive.
How shall I pay you?
We accept cash and credit cards, sir.
Okay, I will pay by credit card.
Thank you, sir. Please fill in the details.
Yeah, sure.
Sir, I'll send you the tickets at your residence tomorrow evening, sir. Will that be okay?
Thanks. Please give me a call before you're sending your person to me.
Sure, sir.
What is the check-in time?
At least 1 hour before flight time, sir. You can also check in at our counter at the Mumbai International Airport. Anything else, sir?
No thanks. Have a nice day.
Good day, sir.
विमानतळ. जेव्हा आपण विमानतळावर जातो तेव्हा कशा प्रकारे संभाषण करावे ते आता पाहू. राज विमान प्रवासाआधी आपल्या सामानाची तपासणी करून घेत आहे.
Excuse me? Is this the Air India check-in counter?
Yes, sir. Welcome to Air India.
Here is my ticket. I had booked it online.
Your luggage, sir?
Here it is. I'll carry this laptop with me.
Very well, sir. Here is your boarding pass.
Thanks a lot. What is the flight time?
1 hour 30 minutes, sir. Have a nice journey. Your flight will be announced soon.
Thank you. I'll wait in the cafeteria.
विमानतळ. विमान यात्रेदरम्यान जर आपले सामान हरवले तर शोधावे तर लागेलच. चला तर आपण संबंधित अधिकाऱ्यांशी बोलूया. विमान प्रवासादरम्यान राजचे सामान हरवले आहे. विमानतळ अधिकाऱ्यांबरोबर तो याच बाबत चौकशी करत आहे.
Excuse me?
Yes, sir.
I've come from Mumbai by Air India flight. I think my luggage is missing.
Don't worry, sir. I'll look into this matter personally. Please give me the details about your luggage.
Yes. It's a black color VIP suitcase.
Okay, sir. Don't worry, your luggage will be safe. Please wait here. Sorry for the inconvenience, sir. Your luggage was mixed with some other luggage, but we found it. It's at the lost and found counter.
Thanks a lot.
My pleasure, sir. Sorry for the trouble.
It's okay. It happens. Thank you for your cooperation.
Thank you, sir. I hope you have a very nice vacation.
Do you have tourist information facility?
Yes, sir. We have a counter over there. You will get all hotel and other information there.
Thank you very much.
कस्टम किंवा सीमा शुल्क. जेव्हा आपण विमानतळावर जातो तेव्हा तिथे कसे संभाषण होते चला पाहूया. परदेशातून येताना राज आपल्याबरोबर काही इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वस्तू घेऊन आला आहे. त्या वस्तूच्या आयात कराबाबत तो सीमाशुल्क अधिकाऱ्याशी चौकशी करत आहे.
Hi. Good evening, officer.
May I see your papers?
Yeah, here they are.
Anything to declare?
Yes. I've bought a digital camera and a laptop.
One laptop is duty free, but the camera will be charged.
Okay. How much do I have to pay?
Do you have the invoice for the camera?
Yes. Here it is.
Wow, this is a pretty advanced camera. Nice choice.
Thank you.
The duty is 12,500 rupees. Anything else to declare?
Few cosmetics for my wife. I hope I don't have to pay for them.
No, sir, it is okay. Will you pay by cash?
Yes. My wife is waiting outside. I'll get the cash from her. Is it okay?
Certainly, sir. I will clear the rest of your belongings.
Thanks. I'll be right back.
Excuse me, sir. You have to leave your camera and laptop here only.
CA वित्त प्रबंधक. कर भरण्यासंबंधी आपल्या CA बरोबर कसं बोलणं होतं ते आपण पाहू. जतीन आपल्या CA बरोबर विवरणपत्राबाबत चर्चा करत आहे. त्याचबरोबर तो गुंतवणूकबाबत सल्ला घेत आहे.
Hi, good morning.
I was about to call you.
Yeah, I know I'm late this time, but don't worry, I have brought all the papers.
That's nice. I will make sure that your return is filed in time.
Thanks a lot. How much income tax do I have to pay this year?
I have to calculate, but you've paid a good amount in TDS, so I don't think you'll have to pay anything in tax.
Oh, thank God. You know, business is slightly down this year.
What have you decided about investments?
Yeah, I have thought of it, but the final suggestion will be yours.
I will suggest money back insurance and mutual funds.
What about shares?
Actually, market is down, but this is a good opportunity for investment in shares.
Is it not risky?
No, if we choose blue chip companies, then it is safe. Don't go for short-term investments.
Shall I buy some gold? What do you say?
Well, gold is liquidable at any time, but as an investment, it is dead. Why don't you invest in gold bonds instead? You get the same returns without actually taking delivery of the gold.
Yeah, that's a good suggestion. Do I have any facility in my returns because I want to buy a new car this year?
Yes, you can buy a car, but don't go for a costly car and be sure to take a car loan.
I don't need a loan.
Maybe, but we will get a tax benefit.
Okay. So when will you file my returns?
Don't worry, we will be in time. Just sign the form. I'll send it to you by email.
Yes, sure.
So, it's done. I will send you the final copies.
Thanks a lot. I have to leave now. I have a business meeting to attend to.
Sure. Have a nice time.
नवीन शहरात आगमन. जेव्हा आपण कामानिमित्त एखाद्या नवीन शहरात जातो तेव्हा आपल्याला बरीच विचारपूस करावी लागते. चला तर पाहूया अशीच एक चौकशी. करण या शहरात आत्ताच आला आहे आणि इथे तो अनोळखी आहे. पर्यटक केंद्रात तो शहराची माहिती घेत आहे.
Excuse me, is this the tourist information center?
How may I help you?
I have just arrived and I am new in the city. Can you give me some information?
Certainly, sir.
First of all, I'm looking for a good hotel, preferably a 3-star.
Well, sir, there is lot of choice. Which area will you prefer?
I am here for garment business. So which area, according to you, will be like the central location?
I suggest you go to Dadar. Here is a list of hotels in this area. You will get taxi outside.
What will be the tariff approximately?
Around 3,000 to 4,000.
Okay, what is the best mode of transport in the city?
Taxis, local buses or trains. Well, local train is the fastest to reach. You can catch a local train to reach your nearest station, and from there you can catch a taxi or rickshaw.
How about hired vehicles?
You can book a car on daily basis. Your hotel can arrange such car for you.
Do you have a city guidebook?
Yes, sir. Here it is. Only rupees 100.
Thank you. Is the city map included?
Yes, sir. You will get all the information you needed.
You have to tell me which is the garment trading area over here.
You will get this information in yellow books. As far as my knowledge is concerned, major garment merchants are in Crawford Market and Dadar.
Do you have an information service in the city?
You can call 888-8888. This is an Ask Me service.
Thanks a lot for your cooperation.
It's our duty, sir.
I really think I have taken a lot of your precious time now. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.
You're welcome, sir. Have a good day.
दूरध्वनीवर तक्रार. घर किंवा ऑफिसमध्ये एखादे यंत्र बिघडल्यास आपण कंपनीकडे तक्रार करतो. बहुतांशी अशी तक्रार फोनवर केली जाते. चला तर पाहूया अशीच एक तक्रार. राजचा नवीन संगणक बिघडला आहे. कंपनीच्या सेवा केंद्रात तो आपली तक्रार नोंदवत आहे.
Good morning, Compaq.
Hello, is this Compaq Service Center?
Yes, it is. How may I help you?
Hi, this is Raj from Andheri. I had purchased a Compaq PC. Yesterday when I went to switch it on, it failed.
Oh, I'm so sorry for the inconvenience caused to you, sir. Will you please tell me the customer invoice number and name of the dealer?
Yeah, dealer is General Electronics and invoice number is 20525.
Okay. And is there any specific complaint, sir?
I told you, it's not working at all.
Okay, Mr. Raj, I have registered your complaint and your complaint ID number is 242. Okay? Yes. And our service engineer will visit you within next 24 hours. Is that okay? And Mr. Raj, could you give me your contact number, please?
Yes, you can contact me on my cell number 93240-21260. I hope the problem will be solved by tomorrow.
Certainly, sir. Now I have your contact number.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
दूरध्वनीवर चौकशी. आजकाल माहिती मिळवण्यासाठी आपण कॉल सेंटरला फोन करतो. चला तर आपण काही माहिती मिळवण्यासाठी एक फोन करूया. करणला एका जाहिरातीबाबत माहिती हवी आहे, पण ती जाहिरात त्याच्याकडून हरवली आहे. कंपनीकडून तो त्या जाहिरातीबाबत माहिती घेत आहे.
Hello, is this the Epson call center?
Thank you for calling Epson Call Center. This is Meena. How may I help you?
There was an ad last week in the Mumbai Mirror about some combined offer for a DVD player and a projector. Unfortunately, I lost the ad. But can you give me some details about it?
Sure, sir. Could you just tell me the date of the advertisement?
No, I forgot. But it was in last week's paper. Maybe Saturday.
Okay. Please give me a moment, sir, while I check that information. I'm checking. Yes, I got it, sir. It was Sunday's Mumbai Mirror. What details do you want about it?
I want the details of the product and the demo at my home.
Okay, sir. Kindly note down the number and name of the department.
Yeah, please.
It is 244-5657, or you can dial 58 or 59.
Okay, whom shall I talk with?
You can talk with one of our customer service representative and they will guide you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Is there anything else I may help you with?
No, thanks. Bye.
Thank you very much for calling Epson Call Center, sir. You have a lovely day.
दूरध्वनीवरून ऑर्डर. आजकाल घरबसल्या सर्व काही मिळतं, जसं आईस्क्रीम, पिझ्झा वगैरे. पण त्यासाठी आपल्याला ऑर्डर द्यावी लागते फोनवरून. चला तर एक पिझ्झा मागवूया. नेहा दूरध्वनीवरून पिझ्झा मागवत आहे.
Hello, is this Domino's Pizza?
Yes, ma'am. How may I help you?
I want to order a pizza.
Okay, ma'am. Can you give me your contact number, please?
Okay, 98-197-18825.
Are you calling for the first time, madam?
Yes.
Okay, madam. I will register your name and address first, please.
Okay, my name is Neha and contact number 98-197-18825.
Okay, ma'am. And your address?
My address A92 Dreams Apartment, Carter Road, Bandra West.
Okay. Thank you, madam. May I have your order now, please?
Okay, I want 2 cheese burst chicken barbecue pizza.
And the size?
Medium?
Any extra toppings, ma'am?
No thanks.
Cold drinks or cheese bread? It's complimentary, madam.
Okay, cold drink.
Thank you, ma'am. Your order time is 5:35 p.m. and the bill amount is 525 rupees.
Okay, please send it to me at the earliest, huh?
Yes, ma'am. It'll reach in 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, then it's free.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you for calling Domino's. Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
उपजीविकेची आखणी. आजकाल विद्यार्थ्यांच्या मनात असा प्रश्न उभा राहतो की आता काय करावे. चला तर या प्रश्नाचे उत्तर शोधूया. आपल्या व्यावसायिक भवितव्याबद्दल नेहा चिंतित आहे. तिचा भाऊ राज तिला समजावून सल्ला देत आहे.
Hi, Sneha.
Hi.
What happened? You look a bit depressed.
Nothing. I'm fine.
Come on, what happened?
I'm just worried about my career.
Why? You have excellent ranking in HSC and CAT. What's the problem?
I just don't know what to do.
Okay, let me help you. You look a bit confused, isn't it? Don't worry, nothing will happen. I remember you told me you wanted to be an engineer, isn't it?
Yes,
Which trend in engineering will you select?
I like computers and programming.
That's it. You should select IT. Is there any problem in admission?
No. With the ranks I got, I can easily get into VJTI. But my ambition is to work for Microsoft.
Then the knowledge you will get in engineering college is not enough. You need to do the latest computer course along with it. 4 years of engineering college and the computer course along with it. Then it will work.
But how will I get time from college?
It is difficult but not impossible. You will have to sacrifice your enjoyment time for this. Everything is not free of cost.
Do you think this will help me?
Certainly. Private short-term courses are up to date. And when you pass out, you will have both a reputed engineering degree and knowledge and certificate in latest IT trends.
Thanks, brother. I'm quite out of tension now.
You can also do some part-time job in your IT sector. You won't be able to do that when your college is going on, but you can do it in your vacations. This will add to your experience.
Can you help me in this matter?
Yeah, sure. I will definitely talk to one of my friends. He is the owner of one of the IT development companies.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure. Now cheer up. We'll go for a treat. Remember, you owe me a treat for your results.
Definitely. Let's go.
Let's go.
वाचनालय. कॉलेजच्या वाचनालयाचे पुस्तक परत करण्यास तुम्हाला खूप उशीर झाला आहे. चला तर पाहूया तिथे तुम्ही कशा प्रकारे बोलता. मेघा कॉलेजच्या ग्रंथालयात पुस्तक परत द्यायला आली आहे, परंतु उशीर झाल्यामुळे तिला आता दंड भरावा लागेल. याच बाबत ती चर्चा करत आहे.
Ma'am, I'm here to return a book.
Okay. You are late by full 3 weeks.
I'm sorry, ma'am, but this book was very important. It is not easily available, and so I kept it for studying.
This is not correct. Many students have queued for this book. They also want to study. What you have done is a selfish job.
I'm really sorry, ma'am, but I needed this book, so...
You could have Xeroxed and returned.
Oh, that did not strike me. But I'll take care of it next time.
It's okay, but now you have to pay fine. It's 3 weeks late. Now you have to pay rupees 210 as late fee.
Please, ma'am, please give me some concession.
No way. You have to pay the fine for your negligence. Otherwise, I have to cancel your card and complain to the principal.
Okay, ma'am, I will.
Okay, submit your book, pay fine at cash counter, and take away your library card.
Okay, ma'am, I will. Is there a telecommunications book?
Sorry, it's already issued. You have to put a claim first. Fill in the claim form.
Oh, please don't. I'll pay the fine, ma'am.
Okay, now pay the fine and take back your cards.
Thank you, ma'am.
शैक्षणिक साहित्याची देवाणघेवाण. कॉलेजच्या मित्रांची मदत तर घ्यावीच लागते. कधी कोणाची वही हवी आहे तर कधी आणखी काही. चला तर आपणही मित्रांकडे काहीतरी मागूया. नेहाला आपली मैत्रीण मोनाकडून परीक्षेच्या तयारीसाठी प्रयोगवही हवी आहे. त्यासाठी ती मोनाला विनंती करत आहे.
Hi, Mona.
Hi Neha, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, now tell me the reason for the surprise visit.
Oh, you know, Mona. Next Monday is our Vivas, and I haven't finished writing my journal yet. I know you have your journal completed and certified.
Yes, I got it corrected just yesterday.
Could I please borrow yours?
Yes, you can take it. But when will you return it?
Around 2 days or so.
Okay, take it. But please take care. Don't misplace it or make any stains on it. Or else my Viva will be spoiled.
Thanks a lot. Oh, by the way, have you gotten the last year's question papers?
No. Do you have them?
Yes, my dad brought it from town yesterday. I'll make a copy of it and give it to you with your journal. Is that okay?
Thanks a lot.
No problem.
Do you want to have some coffee?
No, dear. I'm already running late. and I've got to finish the journal. Maybe some other time.
Okay, take care and be sure to return my journal in 2 days.
Don't worry, it's my responsibility.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
प्राध्यापकांबरोबर चर्चा. अभ्यासात आपल्याला आपल्या प्राध्यापकांबरोबर नेहमीच चर्चा करावी लागते. चला तर आज आपण आपल्या प्राध्यापकांना भेटूया. जर्मन भाषेत कौशल्य प्राप्त करण्यासाठी मीता आपल्या प्राध्यापकांकडून सल्ला घेत आहे.
Yeah, don't worry about the books. Yeah, it's okay.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, I'll call you back, huh? Good morning, yes?
Sir, my name is Meeta. I've taken German for my BA.
Yes, I know. What can I do for you?
Sir, I want your guidance for my studies.
You are doing well in class.
Sir, I want to be a professional translator in the German language. Can you please tell me what else I can do apart from my studies to gain proficiency in German?
Nice decision. There are big careers on the international levels for translators. You can only succeed if you speak like a German.
What shall I do for this, sir?
For every language, there are many flavors. Like we have so many ways of speaking Hindi differently in our country.
Exactly, sir. How will I know whether my German is like a German person's German or not?
The best way is to watch German movies and pay attention to the pronunciations.
But where will I get German movies?
Ask in your local video library or download from the internet.
Can I inquire at the German Council?
You can try your luck. Also, equip yourself with the best German dictionaries.
What else can I do, sir?
Read books loudly in front of the mirror. That way, you can also master your expressions.
How?
You can make some German friends and chat with them over the internet.
That's a nice idea. Thank you so much, sir.
But remember one thing,
Yes, sir?
don't neglect your studies while doing all this. Your German degree is also very important.
I'll keep that in mind, sir. Thank you so much for your advice.
You're most welcome. You can consult me anytime. Bye.
Have a nice day, sir.
अभ्यासक्रमाची चौकशी. संगणक शिकणे हल्ली सोपी गोष्ट आहे. सगळे शिकतात, पण त्यासाठी संगणक संस्थेत जाऊन आपल्याला माहिती तर घ्यावीच लागेल ना. चला तर तिथेच जाऊ. प्रीतीला संगणक प्रशिक्षण घ्यायचे आहे. याबाबत ती एका प्रशिक्षण संस्थेत चौकशी करत आहे.
Good evening, madam. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to know about your course in multimedia.
May I know what are you doing currently?
I'm doing a course in mass media. I'd like to learn more about video editing and computer graphics.
Very well. We have a complete 1-year diploma course in multimedia. You would be given detailed training in multimedia, right away from story writing to direction and camera operations to editing and special effects.
Do you have your own studio setup and equipments?
Yes, we have a fully equipped professional studio and our course is completely practical based.
Is it a full day course? I'm doing my college, so full day will not be possible for me.
You can go for the morning or the evening batch. You have to attend around 4 hours daily.
And what is the course fee?
For 1 year, we charge 1,20,000 all inclusive. This includes your setup cost for your assigned documentary film.
Oh, I get to make my own documentary. That's great.
Yes, I told you, our course is fully practical.
Are there any installment schemes or any scholarships that you give?
Sorry, we don't have scholarship facility, but you can pay the fees in 4 installments.
Do you have any job assurance or maybe a placement facility?
Your work will be judged by top producers and directors from the industry. And you know, most of our students got placed immediately after the course got over. We will also arrange for your campus interviews.
And when does the new batch start?
From the 1st of next month.
Thank you very much. I'll let you know in the next week after talking to my father.
No problem. Just fill this enquiry form. I will contact you next week.
Definitely. Thanks a lot.
Feel free to contact me for any queries.
Of course. Have a good day.
For you too. Bye.
नवीन वस्तूंबद्दलची चर्चा. आपल्या मित्राच्या हातात एखादी नाविन्यपूर्ण गोष्ट दिसली तर आपण चौकशी करतोच ना. बहुतेक माझ्या मित्राच्या हातात एक नवीन मोबाईल आहे. विचारूया का? नेहा आणि मोना मोनाच्या नवीन मोबाईलबद्दल चर्चा करत आहेत.
Hi Mona, where were you yesterday?
My aunt came from the US. I was busy with her for the day.
Oh wow, a new cell phone.
Yeah, my aunt brought this for me from the US.
What's the model?
Nokia 9955.
Ooh, you got the latest one.
Yeah, you know I was about to buy a new phone. Luckily, my aunt brought one for me.
What are the features?
It has 3 megapixel camera with built-in flash, MP4 player, FM.
Does it have Bluetooth?
Yes, it also has infrared.
And how much memory does it have?
It has 8 GB memory and touch panel operations.
Do you have any songs? Can I listen to them? How's the sound quality?
It's great. Try it yourself.
God, you are so lucky.
Yes. Now I can buy a digital camera from the money I saved.
Inform me too. Even I'm planning to buy a new cell phone.
Okay. Hey, it's time for our next class. We have to reach there in time.
Yeah, we better hurry up.
Okay.
विमा पॉलिसी. आजकाल जीवन विमा ही एक आवश्यक गोष्ट आहे. चला तर विम्याबद्दल चौकशी करू. सागरचा मित्र करण एक विमा एजंट आहे. जुना हप्ता व नवीन पॉलिसीबाबत सागर करण बरोबर चर्चा करत आहे.
Hey Karan, long time, huh?
Yeah, I was busy with business. I have to travel a lot for this insurance business. Hey, you have to pay your premium this month.
Oh, thanks for reminding me. Can I give you the check now?
Yes, sure. There are some good money back policies. I think you should go for one.
Thanks. I was just planning for one. I have to invest for tax savings. So tell me about some new policies.
I can suggest one for your newborn daughter. This one will give excellent returns. It will mature in 20 years. Perfect time when you will need money for her education or marriage. And the life insurance benefits are also there.
What's the premium?
It depends on the policy value.
When do I pay the premium?
You can pay yearly, half yearly, or quarterly. It depends on you.
I think yearly payment will be better.
So, when shall I come to complete the formalities?
Are you free next Monday?
Okay, I will come on Monday. But before that, I will SMS you the premium amount so that you can keep the check ready.
Tell me if you need any other papers.
No. Still, I will inquire and let you know before Monday. Okay, now I have to leave. I have some appointments close by. See you on Monday.
Okay then, bye. Have a nice day. Take care.
विमा भरपाई. एखादा अपघात होऊन आपल्याला इस्पितळात जावे लागले तर विमा कंपनीकडून पैसे मिळतात. चला तर पाहूया असंच एक संभाषण. सागर आत्ताच रुग्णालयातून परत आला आहे. त्याला आपल्या आरोग्य विम्यासाठी अर्ज करायचा आहे. त्याचा मित्र करण हा विमा एजंट आहे. त्याच्याबरोबर तो याविषयी चर्चा करत आहे.
Hi Karan.
Hi, Sagar. So, you're back from the hospital now. Nice to see you. How are you feeling now?
I came from hospital a week ago. I'm fine now.
Thank God you are safe and good as before.
Yes, by God's grace, I'm okay now. Hey, but do you remember I have taken medical insurance policy from you?
Yes, of course.
I want to claim for insurance. I was in the hospital for 15 days.
Why did you not use the cashless scheme?
My brother told me not to go for it. So I paid my bills and now I want to go for it.
No problem. Have you kept all the invoices intact?
Yes, I have made a separate file for it. It has all my reports, medicine bills, hospital bills, everything.
Don't worry. I will look into the matter personally. You will get all the claimed amount.
How much time does it take?
I think you will get the check from the insurance company within 15 days.
I hope the case will be trouble-free.
Don't worry at all. I'm here to handle everything.
Thanks, Karan. I think I should leave now.
No way. I won't let you go without having dinner.
Some other day, please.
I will not agree to any reasons. We are celebrating for your health. Don't say no.
Okay. You will never change. Huh? Let's go.
मोटारींचे दुकान. आपल्याला नवीन गाडी खरेदी करायची आहे तर त्यासाठी एखाद्या मोठ्या शोरूममध्ये आपण जाऊ. चला तर. राजला एक नवीन गाडी खरेदी करायची आहे. एका दुकानात तो विक्रेत्याबरोबर चर्चा करत आहे.
Good morning, sir. May I help you?
Hi, good morning. I'm looking out for a new car.
We are the authorized dealer for Tata Motors. What's your choice, sir?
I would like to go for an Indica.
Very nice. Tata Motors has recently launched the new Indica Vista. Would you like to have a look at it?
Yeah, sure.
Let me tell you something about the car. This car has 1.3 liters quadrajet diesel engine with 4 cylinders and 5-speed manual transmission. Above all, you get power steering, power windows and a powerful AC.
Looks interesting. What is the fuel tank capacity?
37 liters. You can go up to 20 kilometers in one single liter.
I want Arctic silver color. Is it available?
Definitely, sir. You will get it. Would you like to take a test drive first?
No, it's okay. I've already decided on this model.
Very well, sir. We'll complete the formalities then.
Sure.
The ex-showroom price is 4,99,661 rupees.
What are the payment terms?
Are you willing to take a loan for this one?
Yeah. Which bank are you attached with?
HDFC, sir. It has the lowest interest rate. All you have to do is pay the 1 lakh as the initial payment and the rest is easy installments.
I want minimum 5 years EMI scheme.
Okay, that can be done. For that, you need to complete these formalities.
When will I get the delivery?
Day after tomorrow for sure, sir.
I hope you will complete all the registration process.
Don't you worry, sir. You can trust me. Before I give you the car, everything will be cleared.
Do you need any papers for the loan formalities?
Yes, sir. There is one list. Here.
Okay. Tomorrow I'll give you the check and the other papers. But make sure I get the Arctic silver color.
Definitely, sir. You don't have to worry about anything. Just go for it.
Thank you. See you tomorrow.
Great day, sir. See you tomorrow as well. Thank you.
गाडी भाड्याने घेणे. चला तर पाहूया आणखी एक संभाषण. या महिलेला आपल्या कौटुंबिक सहलीसाठी वाहन भाड्याने हवे आहे. याच बाबत ती एका एजंट बरोबर चर्चा करत आहे.
Excuse me, do you have Qualis on hire?
Yes, madam. When do you want the car?
I want from Tuesday for 7 days.
Where are you taking the car?
I'm planning for a family tour to Goa. I need the car at least for 7 days.
AC or non-AC?
What are the charges for both the types?
AC is 11 rupees per kilometer and non-AC is 8 rupees per kilometer.
Is there a minimum run per day?
We will count 250 kilometers per day, ma'am. Driver charges would be 200 rupees extra.
I want a good car with powerful AC. Last time I hired a car from another agency and my total trip was spoiled. The AC was not working, we had an engine problem in between, and above all, the driver was so arrogant.
Don't you worry, madam. You will not face any problem with us.
Please make sure that you will send toolkit and stepney along with the car.
Sure, madam. Our driver is expert in car maintenance.
Okay, then please send the car on Tuesday at 7 p.m.
Please note down your address, madam. And also give me your mobile number. I'll give you a call once the car leaves the office.
How much is the advance payment?
You can pay me 5,000 rupees now and pay for the fuel on the way. We'll do the final calculations once you're back.
Fine. I will send the check tomorrow morning. Is it okay?
Fine, madam. Thank you very much.
Thank you. But please don't forget the date and the time, okay?
रेल्वेबद्दलची चौकशी. आता आपण पाहणार आहोत रेल्वेबद्दलची चौकशी. राज रेल्वेविषयी चौकशी करत आहे.
Excuse me, what are the trains for Kolhapur?
There are 3 trains: Mahalakshmi Express, Sahyadri Express, and Koina Express.
All these trains are from Dadar?
No, Mahalakshmi Express is from Dadar and other trains are from CST.
At what time does the Mahalakshmi Express start from Dadar?
8 p.m.
Is there first class AC for this train?
No, it has only second class AC.
And at what time does it reach Meerut station?
Morning 5.
Is there a connecting train to Belgaum?
Yes, you will get your connected train from Meerut.
Do I have to book a seat separately?
No, you can buy direct ticket to Belgaum.
At what time will it reach Belgaum?
12 noon, sir.
Thank you. Where is the emergency reservation counter?
It's window number 12.
Will I get a reservation for today?
Try your luck. The train is always full. I'll suggest you should accept even if you get RAC.
Will it get confirmed on the train?
Mostly it gets confirmed, sir.
Thank you very much.
You're most welcome.
आरोग्यासंबंधी संभाषण. चला तर आज आपण आपल्या मित्रांबरोबर आरोग्यासंबंधी बातचीत करूया. मोना आणि नेहा चांगल्या मैत्रिणी आहेत. त्या दोघी आरोग्य आणि व्यायामाबाबत चर्चा करत आहेत.
Hey, hi Neha. Hi Morna. Look at you, so slim and trim. Thank you. My God, such a change since the last time.
Yeah, I think we met after 3 months.
Yeah, what's the magic?
No magic, dear. I joined the yoga center 2 months back.
So health conscious, huh?
I think we all must be.
You're right. Nowadays we live such a stressful life. We must take care of ourselves.
Not only our body, we must all take care of our mind too. And there is nothing better than yoga for this.
You're right. I joined gym a month ago and now I'm bored.
You don't need to go to the gym to do yoga. I went to a yoga center 2 months back and I did yoga over there. And now I practice yoga regularly at home.
You've done the right thing. In gym, they gossip more than they exercise.
I will take you to the yoga center if you wish.
Oh, that'll be great. So, when are you willing to spend time on me?
Tomorrow morning?
Okay, what time?
5:30 a.m.
That's fine. I'll come to your place to pick you up in the morning. I'll get my car.
Okay, I'll wait for you. But don't make me wait for long.
Of course not. I'll be on time. Bye.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
खेळाबद्दलची चर्चा. चला पाहूया खेळासंबंधी चर्चा. राज आणि नेहा चांगले मित्र आहेत. ते दोघे खेळांबाबत चर्चा करत आहेत.
Hi Neha.
Hey, hi Raj.
I got the VIP passes for tomorrow's 2020 cricket match. Would you like to join me?
India's match.
Yeah, it's against Australia.
I don't like the 2020 game. It's so fast and the players don't even get a chance to show their real talent.
But it's exciting and it just finishes in 3 hours.
So you prefer the game to a movie?
Not like that. I love cricket.
Me too, but I like test matches more.
Come on. 5 days of game with no result. It's just a waste of time.
I don't watch full day. I just watch the highlights.
Who is your favorite cricketer?
Of course, Sachin. I just love to watch his batting.
I like Brian Lara Moore. The flow of runs from his bat is an experience to watch.
I only watch the game in which India is involved.
I make no injustice to any country. I'm on the side of the game, not any specific country. Anyways, being an Indian, I always want India to win.
But why go to the stadium? We can watch the match on TV.
No way. There is minimum cricket and maximum advertisements on TV. Have you ever watched the cricket match in a stadium?
No, not yet.
Then come with me tomorrow. I'm sure you will enjoy it.
Hey, but tomorrow Asia Cup hockey final is there. And India has entered unbeaten into the finals.
Do you watch hockey matches?
Of course, yes. It is our national game.
I like it too, but cricket is my first love.
So you go and enjoy yourself tomorrow and I'll watch the hockey match. And we'll watch the highlights together.
As you wish. Bye. I have my classes to attend. I'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.
स्नेहसंमेलनातील संभाषण. तर स्नेहसंमेलनाला जायचं का? राज आणि करण अनोळखी आहेत. ते दोघे एकमेकांना संमेलनात भेटले आहेत. ते आपापसात सर्वसामान्य चर्चा करत आहेत.
Hi, I'm Raj.
Hi, I'm Karan. Nice to meet you. You are from?
I'm from Mumbai. How about you?
I'm from Delhi itself. So, nice party, huh?
Yeah. After every conference, such parties arranged by the organizers.
That's nice. You know, during the seminars, you hardly get to know each other. And at such parties, you make new business friends.
True, very true. So what's your business?
I'm into garment export. You?
I represent some prestigious brands in India.
That's nice. Do you attend these seminars every year?
Mostly. It's very essential in our business.
So, how long are you in Delhi?
I'll be leaving by tomorrow night.
How about lunch?
Oh, no such formalities, please.
Come on, it's my pleasure. You are in our Delhi. And next time when I come to Mumbai, I'll force you to treat me.
Of course.
So it's done then. I will pick you up tomorrow at 11 a.m. I'll call you from the lobby, okay? What's your room number?
It's 1250. I'll wait for your call. Thank you.
Definitely. You know what? I need to go. I'm getting a bit late. My wife's waiting for me.
Okay. Nice
Okay?
meeting you.
Nice meeting you too, man.
Bye.
Take
Good
care.
night. Good night.
Hi, I'm sure you enjoyed watching this video. Please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and watch more interesting videos.